So we click on the main menu, we click on back to files, and we click on explore community, and we will select design resources and choose UI kits. Yeah, so through here you can find a lot of elements that used in interface design. So for example, let's open this one, use UI kit in a new file. Yes, so then you can explore different elements used in the iOS design. Yeah, so this is the status bar for iPhone, so we can just click on insert. Then we'll Command C, copy, and we go back to our practice file. Copy and we'll paste it here. So that's how you can get the status bar here. So it's the same. Yeah, so if we want to get the icons like this, we will go to we'll go back to files again, and we will explore the community and design resources, UI kits, and you can enter search. So I will enter icon. Then you will find there are a lot of icon packs for you to choose. So they are all free for use. So let's select this one, open in Figma. Yeah. So if you zoom in, you can see there are a lot of icons you can choose to use. For the notification icon, we will copy, go back to files, go back here, and Command V. So you see that's how we get this icon here. Yeah, so we can double click to change the color. Yeah, so for the icon, yes, so it's the same thing for the heart. You can go back. Actually, we can find a heart from the file already opened, right? So we go back to this file, we zoom in to choose a heart icon from choose the heart icon from this document. Yeah, it should be in somewhere here. Yeah, so the heart icon should be in some place here. Yeah, but you may take some time to look for it because there are a lot of options here. So yeah, so let's go back. So if you created those illustrations in Illustrator, and you want to import them into Figma, you can click here, resources. Then you can go to plugins. You can search your plugin. It's called Convertify, Sketch, Adobe, Google. Yeah, so I already insert these plugins, but if you are not, you haven't do that, you will search Convertify, Sketch, Adobe. Yeah, so you click it, get into the window, and let's choose import Illustrator to Figma. make sure this option has been turned on. Import artboards as vector layers. So let's just click and drag this file in it. Yeah, then you will get this file. So you will group each one of them. Yeah, and you can use those vector graphics, right, and drag them into the app. Yeah, so you see, if you double click, you can see you can change the color, you can change the form. Yeah, because that's a vector file from Illustrator. Yeah, so the way we import the image is go to click on the shape and place image, and you can place the image you want to insert in your app. So I will place it here, I will place it here, right? So this is how we place the image. Yeah, so we can add, so you can always add another frame. Yeah, so if you want to copy and paste these elements to here, you will select Command C and select the board here, Command V. Right, so the thing will paste at exactly the same place. So you can change this, the color of this artboard. Use the eyedropper tool and click on the background. Yeah, so if you can also click on the name, and you can go to the fill, and you can go to the image, choose an image, you can choose a map, and the map will fill in the page, and you can change the fill into crop, so you can make you can determine which part you want to the map show on the page. Yeah, so this is how we create this part. So after you are done with this part, you will change the nearby icon into red, and you will change the home icon into gray, and you can build a prototype, which means you will click on when you click on the nearby page, it will lead to this page. If you click on the home tab icons, it will lead you to the home page. Yeah. So also we talk about how to add a shadow for the design. So let's go back to the design. If you go to the rectangle, if you create a shape, and you can add a icon for add a drop shadow. You see here is the option, and you can change the number of the drop shadow according to your preference. You can change a blur, yeah, like this. Right, so this is about our drop shadow. You can also add a drop shadow for the image. Yes, so you see here is a drop shadow to make your object feels more real. Yeah, so these are the things we covered in the practice in our Figma practice today. So so after you build the prototype, right, so you already select it and drag, select here, double click, select here and drag. You have built an interactive between the two pages. So if we click on present, yes, it shows how your interface might look like on the phone, real phone, right? So you can hear nearby, it switch to the other page, go back to the home, this is your home page. Yeah. So for our project, we'll make all those buttons work. Yeah, so that's all about the things we talked about during the practice.